after searching several handheld stick vacuum, I felt this is the one within my budget of $100. Along with other common attachment, it also comes with a flexible hose, 2-in-1 brush and a cutter. It is working nice on the carpet as well as the hard floors. As you can see, it's cleaning the sofa effortlessly. Here you can see what is the cutter and how to use it. Also, I don't need to spend extra money for a car cleaning vacuum, as it is solving both of my purposes. I hope this video will be enough informative to buy a budget-friendly vacuum now, as like me. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching our channel.